So this just came in yesterday. It is a portable power station. I'm not going to butcher the name, sorry. But it's supposed to be a 300-watt power station. So might be a little overkill, especially since I don't think I could travel with this thing outside of the state, at least in a plane. I mean, if I'm driving somewhere, it doesn't matter. But we're going to pull it out of the box. Now, it says you have to fully charge it, so I'm not going to be able to do much with it now. Just see what's in the box here. So you got your documents, and I believe this is the handle. So you got to connect the handle for you could carry it. All right, let's see what else I can get out. Box probably with the power cable in there. Get this out of the way. I mean, it's not that big. It's not that heavy, but it's got some weight to it. It's got some size to it. But, you know, I was expecting that. It's a 300-watt power station, and it has a full plug. So you got your full plug there. You can plug in your computer. You can plug in whatever you want to there. Got a couple USB-A, couple USB-C. These are the power connections. I think this thing even does solar if you connect it. This is where the handle goes. And helps if I put it on the camera. You got your light here. Different power levels. And like I said, here's where you put that handle. Digital display, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, full-size plug on here. So let me get this paper out of the way. Then the box is the only thing that's taped closed, and I don't have my blade next to me. But I'm assuming this is just probably the power cable. If it's got additional cables, that'd be nice. But I'm pretty sure it's just a power brick. No, it's got additional cables. So you got a USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, the car charger. Plug it into your car. So another cable here. All right, that's part of the power, regular power. It's another strap, probably more of a shoulder strap than just a handle. Okay. And this is probably part of the shoulder strap too. That would actually be on your shoulder. And the actual power brick. So I have to make sure I connect it to the right spot. It's one of those barrels. I'm assuming one is for this charger. The other one's probably for the solar panels if you order the solar panels for charging this. Now, instructions say you gotta fully charge it before you use it. So I'm gonna end up doing that, and guess there'll be a part 2. Let me read the specs real quick. See what it says here. Drone 6 hours. Notebook 4 hours to charge. No, 4. What's that supposed to mean? Why are you giving me these weird numbers? 9 charges. That's number of charges. Okay, never mind. Output AC output 300 watts. Pure sine wise. That's good. I've heard of that. I don't know exactly, but I heard that. USB-C output 5 volt 3 amp 9 volt 3 amp. More information. All right. Output max 36 max watts. Total max discharge power. A lot of stuff that most of us ain't going to care about. It's 300 watts. High power of 100 watts. USB C1 supports up to 100 watts. Output input. Lightweight, slim, multiple ports, fast charging, outdoors, yada, yada, yada. All right. That's it until I get it charged and I can play with it.